Alright, hello. My name is Sherman Shaw the 4th, and this is server-side languages. This is the FruitAds Week 3 project that we're working on, and I want to start out looking at the code. This is a add-on to Week 2's code for the Fruit app. This is the FruitAds renamed. Was the Fruit.php. This is the FruitAds.php now, and up at the top here you can see this is the additional data for receiving the JSON API data that's going to be sent to it from the other PHP file that we've made this week. So as you can see here, you got file get contents, decoding that data, and then using the var dump function to display that information. Now we're not echoing it out on this page. It's going to be putting its own HTML block for display. So we're just going to leave it at that. The delete fruit functionality has been finished, so it does take a reload to connect to the database, and it takes a little bit to show, but it is deleting as it should be by the ID that's clicked. Alright, this is the fruitget.php. This is the important file. This contains the API for getting all that information. Pretty much it's relatively simple. We're just communicating with the database again. This time we're selecting the ID, fruit name, fruit color, and the fruit image link that we type in there. And this order by random here is order by random limit 1 is giving us a random selection from the database, only one, and setting that up for display. Now down here the statement is executing, fetch all, and then the result here being stored a little different, being stored in an array this time, which is using that notation there. The fruits is calling the result variable there, so we can display the whole row of information. Whatever is called back, everything's going to be displayed. And right below that, the header for the JSON application content, and the file here, JSON encode. We need the encode before, so the other page can decode that JSON data, so it can display it. So here we're encoding that variable, and we're echoing it out on this page. Alright, let's go into the app demo here. Now I can pull this page up. Like we can go in here, and I can pull up that get fruit. Fruitget.php here, and you can see that you have an array there, and it is storing banana, yellow, fruit name, ID 46, and the fruit image link is right there as well. So it's storing that one in an array there, ready to display on the next page. Alright, here's the new Fruit app. Still the same, but reconfigured slightly. Everything has been pushed to the left margin, so I can display the fruit of the day ad on the right side here in this space. So I wanted plenty of room to do that. Right now, the functionality is working great. As I refresh the page or reload the page, you can see right now it's on. Let's see. Right now it's outputting everything, including object class. It's outputting the whole array. We're not just getting that select information, so we're going to have to tweak that some more to get it to put that information into the HTML block the block format that we want. But you can see right here, this is green apple, what it's showing right now, and as we refresh the page, now we're getting the red apple. Reload again, red apple again, red apple, and now we got the banana again. So it is pulling that random limit 1 just like we wanted it to. So all it has to be now is tailor it a little bit and find out why it's not displaying everything in that block of code here. The code I'm referring to is right here on the FruitAds primary page, and that is the for each loop down here that's supposed to take that information and put it into. Now I've created a div called add for it here to store all the information in one box, kind of like I did with the rows down in the bottom input. Here we want to put all that in one box, so that's pretty much all that's left on this. So I hope you enjoyed the screencast with this updated Fruits ad application, and thank you for watching.